Hi, everyone. I am Uri, a professional drone pilot from Virginia and the owner of American Eagle Drone Services. Today, I want to show you the custom ground station case I built for my drone missions. For the housing, I used the Costway 22-inch multi-purpose hard case. It fits the Samsung 22-inch S40GD monitor perfectly. The installation was simple. I attached the monitor using heavy-duty Velcro and created a protected frame using the original foam included with the case. For power, I use reliable, brand-name gear available everywhere, handheld with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 150-watt power source, in the truck with the Jupiter 120-watt inverter, or running off my field backup battery. I built this internal setup using only original, reliable equipment, yet the total cost was less than $200. Considering commercial units cost over $1,250, this build saves you $1,000 without compromising on quality. It is the perfect upgrade for any drone pilot.